open? Good?
Yep.
All right. First demonstration we're looking at is 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right. So I've got this magical jar here. It is an old pasta sauce jar. Highly technical. I've got 2 measuring cups. We're going to do 1 cup plus 1 cup. And let's see what that equals. Now, I know that you guys don't trust me, so I need to have an assistant up here verifying. Lauren, you can come up. Charlie, come on up.
Take your pad. Take your pad. Charlie.
Yeah, she said and
Charlie. Take your pad. Take your pad.
All right.
There's labels on the cups. Why can't they trust you?
Because people don't always trust me. Will you verify how much is in that cup? Okay, then pour it into the jar here without making a mess. Spill it everywhere. Spill it everywhere. Spill it
I'm
everywhere.
going to.
Spill it everywhere.
I'm just gonna put something in it. It's gonna like go down the less than 2 cups. It's gonna be like a half cup.
That would be a cup. Okay, pour it in there. All right, now, is there a line on the front of that jar? I don't know. Yes. Okay, does it line up with the 2 cups in there?
Pretty well.
Is that the right spot? Okay, we're just going to show Gabby real quick. Got a blue line on there showing where the 2 cup mark is. All right, now I'm going to test this out. We know what 2 cups is, right? You trust me? Okay. So if we put 2 cups in there again, it should get to the same line, right?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Lauren, go ahead. Pour in 1 cup.
Wait, do I just go all in there? Or?
No, 1 cup. So measure out 1 cup.
What if I mess up?
Don't. You can have Charlie check it for you.
Make sure it's exact.
Yeah. Definitely get down to the level.
It's
Is it
over.
right?
It's over. It's over. It's pretty over. It's like a whole game. Just keep saying it's wrong.
Little inch of water.
She knows it's wrong.
This is too low now. Oh my god, I hate myself.
That was pretty good. That was gonna be too low. That's pretty good.
It's perfect.
It's one cup?
It's 1 cup.
Okay. Charlie will check how much is in here.
Well, that's a liquid measuring cup, not a dry measuring cup.
Yeah.
It's still a cup. Isn't this what I put the water in?
Well,
Yeah, but that's dry ingredients, not liquid
You
ingredients.
measure them
A
different.
cup is a cup.
Foods.
a cup is not a
Take fluids.
Yeah, we were.
food. I was losing.
I can use a dry measuring
Yeah,
cup.
Jimmy.
I should have been less.
I have Taylor Swift stuck in my head.
Remember talking.
Shake it off.
No. Blank space. Blank space.
Oh, that's
Now
easy.
it's
Not to say that.
Is it?
You got it. I just say that.
You want me to pour that in the water?
Yeah. Is it 1 cup?
How do we do it?
No,
1 cup? Are you sure you don't want to use, 1 cup, I think we should use the same measurement.
No.
No, don't do it.
I don't know.
No.
Do it.
Just
No.
yes.
Do both.
Do it.
Do it the science
Okay,
teachers.
why don't you pour, wait, before you do it, why don't you pour the dry into the liquid?
Oh.
I can draw that one.
Jimmy,
You guys
is
are
it
so
just me, or
picky.
do you think corduroy pants are just?
I love that they're so warm. I feel
All
that.
right, there you go. There you go.
I really just think they just the feel is.
You gotta make the colors match.
Oh, see, it's like a little less. It's a little less.
I think that we should go with the one
No,
that's 1 cup
don't
to
do
1
it.
cup then.
Just
Don't
put
do it.
something in the thing.
Well, it's the same
I know,
measurement,
just,
so it's
Just-
just put
fine.
it in the
Charlie,
jar.
just do it. Make a decision.
You know, I don't care.
Hey, don't spill.
Whoa.
I'm not spilling.
I heard it.
Well, it lay. There's like 10 grains.
It has more
Experiment is
density or something.
What just happened?
Something
It's
Bob.
not water.
Is that 2 cups?
Y'all stink.
Oh,
Yes, but it's not the
Yes,
same
We did 2 cups and 2 cups. Why doesn't it work?
So what you put in there?
It's
There's
not
different
cereal.
material.
What'd you put in there?
I said it first.
The raw materials
What y'all
absorb
put in
the
the
plastic.
jar?
What's going on?
It's getting absorbed.
You guys, give them a hand. Have them sit down. Thank you guys. 1 cup plus 1 cup equals 2 cups, except when it doesn't. Okay? We did it with water and sugar. That's sugar that's in there. That is very concentrated sugar solution. What's going on? The water molecules in the water. Does it look like they're pretty densely packed? Can you stick your finger in there and not touch anything? Those molecules are all close together, right? And yet, when we put sugar in there, what happens? So when we have the water molecules, they're a certain size. And they are all packed in what we think, packed in tight together. But think of those water molecules as big boulders in a glass. If you've got big boulders in a glass, could you pour in sand and get sand into that glass?
Yeah.
Even if it's full of boulders. Could you then pour water on top of the boulders and the sand and get water to stay in that glass? Even though it's full already. Same thing happens here. If we've got all these water molecules, sugar molecules come in and they fit themselves in different spots. And now you've got all these little things that are taking up space where there was no space to be had before. So every molecule has a different shape and a different size depending on its chemical makeup. And so it's going to take up different amounts of space when it's packed in with different molecules. The same thing happens if you do water and rubbing alcohol. Do you guys have rubbing alcohol at home? It's in that clear or off-white bottle. Don't do a bunch of stuff with it, but you could do this experiment at home. You've got 2 clear liquids, 1 cup and 1 cup. And if you pour them in together, they will not make 2 cups, even though they both look like water. They both look clear. They both look like they should do the same thing we did at first, where the line is. But because those molecules are different sizes, the rubbing alcohol molecules, just like with the sugar, fits into different spots. And so you get a more dense material, and you get a volume that is less than 2 cups, less than it should be. Kind of cool? Kind of cool. What? Yeah, we're not spilling this. Ants are evil. Ants are evil. All right. Now, the second part of your lab, Gabby, I'm sorry, we're not going to be able to do this one for you. We'll do it at home maybe sometime. We'll see you later.
Bye, Gabby.